Hi, good morning. This is Tommy and this is day 12 of my daily English speaking challenge. So if you're watching my video today, I challenge you to make a short video every day speaking about anything in your life, non-stop in 1 minute. Post it to social media with the hashtag Speak English with Tommy, then tag me there. So if you've been afraid to speak out because you think that your pronunciation is not good, or you're worried that other people will judge you, I have a story for you. I'm running my happiness interview campaign, so I'm going around talking to strangers, and just like anyone else, I've faced rejections. I've received a lot of no's, but did I give up? Nope. I know that a lot of people choose to give up after receiving a few rejections, but not me, because I understand that good things take time and my effort will pay off, and it did. I ended up having wonderful conversations with strangers, opening endless possibilities and opportunities just because I wasn't afraid of failing. So here's the message for you today. What you're most afraid to do is often exactly what you most need to do. So if speaking English scares you, that's the very thing that you should be doing. Go out, talk to strangers, make mistakes, fall, get up, and keep moving forward. I hope you have all the courage to speak out and to make mistakes. So that's it for today, and I hope to see your video challenge. I hope you have a great day.